The projects allow us to work in a globalized way across the different knowledge. This methodology helps to diversify materials and activities adapt to the interests and learning paces of each child. When we apply what we have learned to do something, we give it a meaning and generate feelings that help us to accommodate this learning. To do so, the teacher acts as a guide, generating learning situations. We focus on the daily work, giving importance to the process, and we work on the skills of know-how, discovery, research, cooperation, and teamwork. Through challenges and objectives, students gain autonomy, motivation, and work in a transversal way the curricular content.